Hey everybody, we're gonna do some wings on our new Ninja Woodfire Grill coming up. What's up everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my backyard. So glad you're here. That's right, we're out here again. We're working on the new Ninja Woodfire Grill. All right, it's for the outdoors, so we're outdoors. We're gonna do some simple air fried chicken wings today, but we're gonna use that wood fire technology to add a little bit of smoke to that crisp. It's gonna be money in the bank, all right? In the past, I have actually smoked my wings and then put them on the air fryer, and I love how it turns out. It's crispy, smoky, depending on the barbecue rub, it's sweet, it's savory, it's so good, right? So we're gonna try to duplicate that today using the new Woodfire outdoor grill, all right? Before we get started though, make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button with that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. We want to get there by the end of the year. Be a part of that train going through, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. All right, let's get to the Ninja outdoor grill station, otherwise known as my little workbench right here. Let's get started. All right, team, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and get these wings seasoned up before we actually turn on the grill. We want to give them a little bit of time to sweat out a little bit. Guys, if you hear a little running water in the backyard, it's just my pool. All right, don't worry, there's no major leak out here. It's early morning. I like it out here in the morning, so the sunlight doesn't mess with my shots. It's nice and low key. Skeeters aren't out yet, all that good stuff. So bear with the water running over their little waterfall there, okay? All right, we're gloved up. Let's spray the wings down with a little avocado oil. Make a nice little coat on there. We're gonna mix them all up with our hands anyway. Next thing, I'm gonna add a little of my favorite Uncle Steve shake, a little sweet and spicier. Guys, this is my favorite seasoning from Uncle Steve, so you guys check it out. I'll put a link down below. We'll go ahead and season these up pretty well. Give them a nice coat, give them a little mixy. I'm gonna mix with one hand. Another thing I'll do with these is just throw them into like a gallon baggie, put all the seasoning and oil in there and just shake them up. So a little easier, no muss, no fuss. Okay, but these are all relatively coated. So we're gonna go ahead and turn them all skin side up again. I hope that the running water in the background isn't stirring any uncomfortable feelings for you guys, if you know what I mean. All right, they're relatively all coated up. So now we're just gonna add one last little sprinkling over the skin parts. That nice coverage. We're gonna let these sweat while we get this grill fired up. That's right, we're actually firing up a Ninja grill. I love it. All right, come on back. All right, the next thing we wanna do is go ahead and get our little pellets in the grill here. We're gonna use our little scooper. It's about a half a cup of pellets. One thing on my unboxing that we kind of talked about in the unboxing video, I'll put it up here, so you can check it out if you want to. It says only compatible with the Ninja Woodfire pellets. I did a little bit more digging, you know, in the actual owner's manual and all that. What it really says is food grade wood pellets. So, you know, I have pellets from Traeger, Pit Boss, you know, wherever. So if you want to use those wood pellets, I'm pretty sure you'll be safe. I'm gonna do it eventually when I run out of these. So it's up to you, but I'm pretty confident you can use just any food safe wood pellets. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get these pellets in here. All right. Make sure they're kind of evened out. Let's shut that down. Got the air crisp set at 390. We're gonna go for the 20 minutes. I'm gonna push the wood fire button, okay? Go ahead, start, let it do a little preheat. We'll get these wings in and get them cooking. All right, guys, as we're coming up the temperature, I'm gonna go ahead and put these wings in the air fry basket. So as the smoke starts hitting it and the heat starts running, we're starting to cook them wings up, okay? So let's get them on. All right, let's go get these wings in. Got the air crisper basket in there. So we're gonna lay these out as even as possible. We're gonna end up mixing them throughout the cook, so don't stress, you know, if they're a little overlapping. Okay, we got all the wings in. We're just short of 2 dozen, so there's 22 wings in there. Let's get some heat on them. What do you say? And some smoke. Okay, so it went through the smoking process, and now it's preheating. So there's still some smoke coming in there, and now it's preheating for the air crisp. And now we're off and running. We'll check it out about 10 minutes into it and see if we need to shake it or flip it or anything like that. All right, just so you can see, we still got our pellets smoldering in there. All right, so we're air crisping, but there's still gonna be some wood fire smoke going in there. All right, we're 10 minutes in. Let's take a look. Holy moly, look at the color on those bad boys. Wow. Guys, I'm impressed. Let's check the temps. I'm gonna go in one of these bigger ones right here. 187. 188, feeling a little crispy. You know what though? They're done internally. I want them to be a little bit more crispy. So we're gonna give it another couple minutes, but those look dang good. Dang good. I'm impressed. All right, team, we let them go for another couple minutes. This is what we're looking at. Smoked, air crisp, just gorgeous. Let's get these out of here and plate them up, and we'll talk about it. Give them a try. All right, team, we are done. The pool's still running, but the Ninja is done cooking. Beautiful color on these brilliant wings. You know that Uncle Steve's got on there. Sweet and spicier is where it's at. Again, link down below for Uncle Steve's Shake. Check it out. You know, it's that age-old fight. Are you team flats or team drums? Put that down below. I am team flats all the way. Let's give this bad boy a taste. Oh man. I tell you what, that is money in the bank right there. Plenty of smoke. Okay, you got plenty of smoke. I know people are questioning how much smoke flavor you're getting. That's plenty of smoke right there. Done very well. Cooked all the way through, perfectly done. Skin's a little crispy, right? You know, got that sweet up front, a little spicy on the finish. So dang good. Listen, guys, if you want to get yourself one of these bad boys right here, hit the link down below. It's an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anything more to use, and it helps out the channel. Merch, knives, cutting boards, a pool that won't stop running. Well, maybe not that, but links are down below for everything else. Guys, if you want to become a show producer, like all these awesome people that are scrolling in front of me right now, hit that join button. Become part of CJ's Crew for Real here on YouTube. All right. Listen, guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.